You made a difference today. Thank you for choosing Tetran Marine Store for all of your marine parts and equipment needs. We are delighted to have you as our customer, and we want to take this opportunity to express our gratitude for your business and trust in our products and services. At Tetran Marine Store, we offer a wide range of high-quality marine parts and equipment, including engine parts, navigation instruments, safety equipment, and much more. We understand that the marine industry is diverse and complex, which is why we provide a comprehensive range of products to cater to the needs of different customers. Whether you are a recreational boater, a commercial vessel owner, or a maritime organization, we have the right parts and equipment to suit your needs. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing you with the best possible service and support. We know that buying marine parts and equipment can be overwhelming, which is why we are here to help you through every step of the process. From product recommendations to technical assistance, our team is always ready to assist you in any way possible. At Tetran Marine Store, we are committed to offering the highest quality products at competitive prices. We source our products from reputable manufacturers and suppliers to ensure that they meet our stringent quality standards. We also keep our prices competitive to ensure that you get the best value for your money. We understand that time is of the essence in the marine industry, which is why we have streamlined our operations to ensure prompt delivery. We process orders quickly and efficiently, and we have partnered with reliable shipping carriers to ensure that your order arrives on time. Our team of technicians is highly skilled and experienced, and they are always ready to help you with any technical issues that you may encounter. At Tetran Marine Store, we are committed to building long-lasting relationships with our customers. We believe that trust, integrity, and honesty are essential in business, and we strive to uphold these values in everything we do. We are always looking for ways to improve our products and services to ensure that we exceed your expectations. In conclusion, we would like to thank you once again for choosing Tetran Marine Store for all of your marine parts and equipment needs. We appreciate your business, and we are committed to providing you with the highest quality products and services. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to serving you in the future and helping you to achieve all of your marine-related goals. Thank you for choosing Tetran Marine Store for all of your marine parts and equipment needs.